Moving on, we want to get our total sales, total profit, average unit cost, average profit margins, and total cost. So you use your equals to sum total sales amount, and this is how you get your total sales. Then total cost is also the same formula. Sum you getting your total cost, then total profit to sum enter total profit, then average margin profit. You say equals to average the row and enter, and this is your average profit. Let's say average unit cost. So say equals to average, then I write, then enter, and this is your average unit cost. So for example, now you want to count your invoice ID and you don't want any empty there, you use the counter function. Is equals to counter, is equals to counter 0 given, then the invoices, and it gave you 10 invoices, and if you count it, we actually have 10